Good day guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to withdraw money from XTB. So guys, firstly you need to verify your account, of course. Mine isn't verified, I'm just going to provide you with a tutorial. So you just navigate to My Trades and you will have a button for withdrawing funds. It will be here somewhere. So in order to withdraw, as you can see, you just need to find the Withdraw tab. For me it's unavailable because of the verification. After that, as you can see, you will be taken to this screen, and in here you need to choose your trading account. It's going to be provided via ID, and then as you can see, you will have a certain amount of cash that you can withdraw, and then you just insert with a number which amount of cash you want to withdraw, and press on the withdraw button. After that, as you can see, you just need to choose a bank to which you wish to withdraw. Your bank account also needs to be added through your pretty much payments methods. As you can see, you choose your ID of your bank and then press on OK. And as you can see, the withdrawal of a certain amount that you set to your bank account is completed. So this is going to be the sum of money and from which account you just withdrawn. So as you can see, 1063, just like in here, 1063. So that's pretty much how this is done, guys. And yeah, just wait, depending on which bank you have, for some time until the funds have successfully reached your bank account. Enjoy guys, press like on the video and subscribe.